How about this from the Rolling Stone? Ukraine pushes to unplug Russia from the internet. Like, just from the internet, period.
You can do that?
That's right, Mo.
You just, a whole country?
Yeah, Switch is right over there.
We have the Switch.
They gave it to us. It's like, you guys seem like we're very responsible and level-headed.
Yeah.
In the abs, like, listen, this could cause an extreme amount of panic.
Absolutely.
You eliminate the internet completely in some place.
Yeah. I mean, Facebook went down for like 6 hours and people went nuts.
The internet as a whole, though, people don't even realize how tied in it is to almost every business at this point.
Yeah.
Right? All your processing, your whole existence, all your files, all of your data, record keeping, hospitals. You don't think, man.
Everything. Yeah.
Everything. It will be a complete, not just a disconnection of TikTok, all right, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, it would
like
be
functional disconnection of operational stuff. Ukrainian officials asking a key organization responsible for the operation of the internet to disconnect all Russian sites from the global computer network of networks. It's the latest attempt to turn Russia into a pariah state in retaliation for the Kremlin's invasion of Ukraine. Experts call it a massive, ill-advised step. Yeah, see, you don't think about the type of like side suffering that comes from it. Although, with all of these sanctions, there are innocent people suffering.
Yeah.
And there's no way around that. And maybe the people suffering, it all depends on the way that it's processed within Russia. If it's processed in such a way of like, I have to do something to put an end to this, and then there's more protesting. But even there, you worry about enticing people to protest for fear of what their consequences are going to be inside of Russia.
Yeah. That's the craziest.
How they're going to be treated. It's very sensitive.